an unusual Hummer, H3 will be put up for auction at the Mecum auction in early October. This is a factory concept with the designation H3R, built for the SEMA exhibition in 2007 as a prototype of a possible charged modification of the SUV. In addition to a powerful engine from a Chevrolet Corvette Z06, the car, which exists in a single copy, received many other modifications. The 7-liter V8, borrowed from the Corvette, is additionally modified due to a new intake system, custom valves, and more efficient cooling. As a result, the engine develops 512 horsepower. It works with a 4-speed automatic and an all-wheel drive system, which includes an Eaton interwheel differential lock on the front axle. The chassis is modernized due to Rancho shock absorbers with remote reservoirs and a lift kit, which added about 100 mm to the ground clearance. The wheels are 20 inches with 35-inch Mickey Thompson tires and powerful Rotora brakes. The exterior of the SUV was modified with a new radiator grille, a custom hood with a transparent insert, wheel arch extensions and various protective elements with additional lighting. A fuel canister was hung on the spare wheel bracket, and the spare wheel itself is now stored in the cabin, for which they got rid of the rear sofa. The front seats were replaced with sports buckets, additional instruments and new trim appeared. It is assumed that the mileage of the Hummer H3R since assembly is about 3,000 kilometers. The fact is that the car does not have any official documents and is not legalized for public roads. Another rare SUV, but eligible for road use, was put up for auction in mid-September. At the end of the auction, $82,000 were offered for one of the 133 civilian Toyota Mega Cruisers, despite the right-hand drive, but the deal did not take place.